down on a mat, on the back of the mat, in a thunderbolt. Right leg forward, left leg backward. One stroke, exhale. Left leg forward, right leg backward. Push knees down. Two strokes. Exhale. 90-degree right leg, left leg 90-degree. Three strokes. Exhale. Left leg 90-degree, right leg backward. Four strokes. Exhale. Stack right knee down, left knee up. Cow face pose, ankles together. 5 strokes. Exhale. Left leg down, right leg up. Stack knees over each other. 6 breaths. Exhale. Again, butterfly. 7 strokes, spine straight, connect with your body. Exhale. Star pose, rotate shoulders backward, toes up. 8 strokes breath. Exhale. Now exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Include hand movements. Inhale. Exhale. Engage your toes at the back. Release the fascia. Exhale. Inhale. Relax toes. Inhale. Engage toes. Relax toes. Lock your foot. Engage. We are releasing the fascia from the feet. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Excellent. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Right leg forward. Exhale. Inhale. Left leg forward. Exhale. Right leg. Connect with your body, what you're feeling. Exhale. This is a dynamic to increase the heart rate and prepare the body. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Take the blocks. Stretch the arms out. Exhale. Forehead down. Inhale. Lift yourself up. Place your elbows down. Palms facing upward. Elbows on the block. Palms on the block. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing. Lift yourself up using the block. Now prepare for the frog pose. For the frog, widen your knees, widen your toes. Try to settle on the mat. First check that the hip is open. Toes are out. Toes are out to the side. Almost 80-degree, 90-degree to the ankle. First check your comfort zone. Now, lift yourself up. Elbows down. Interlace your finger. Forward. Interlace your fingers. Make a fist and then chest to the fist. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The more correct exercise to push your hip at the back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Hip down. Hands back. Come back center. Thunderbolt. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Now lift the hip up. Right leg forward. Open up the inner thigh and hip area. Exhale. Inhale, multi-direction, 45 degree. Exhale. Inhale, parallel to the floor to the side, 90 degree. Exhale. This is the multi-direction hip opener. Activating your hip flexors. Using the right leg, make a 90 degree. 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay? Feel it. Connect the opening of the thigh and the hip. Come back center. One more deep breath. Left hip up. Left leg forward. Lock the toe at the back. Exhale. Be gentle. Connect. 45 degree and 90 degree to the side. 45. Keep one hand at the back, right hand at the back of the hip, and feel the manipulation of the glute medius, the main muscle. One more time, 45. Come back center. So hold the elbow and again chest opening. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chest out. Arch the back little bit. Lower back little bit. Arch. Push the hip. Relaxed. Exhale. Sit on the mat with leg wide open. Again, hip flexors, hip adductors. Open the hip more. Right knee down. Left. This will help you bring the knees down. This is you are working on your mobility. You are trying to improve your mobility. To the left. The right. Feel how the thigh hip joint is manipulating. Back straight, okay? Back straight, rotate your shoulders backward, chest open, spine straight. Exhale. 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 Good. Now, you will need the stretch band now. So those who are beginners, keep the right foot bent in the front. And those who are at advanced level, keep the ankle outward, 90 degree. So beginner like this, advanced like this. So first manipulate, front, back, right. Prepare it. Come down slowly, gradually. Exhale. So beginner will keep the ankle forward. Remember, otherwise this will become very difficult for you. Use the stretch band around the left leg and open the hip up. Open the hip up. Okay? Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly, gradually. The beginner like this, advanced like this. Yeah. Advanced to the side, beginner like this. Okay. Slowly, gradually. Inhale. Exhale. And very gently, but keep the foot straight. Do not let it go to the side. Keep the shin engaged. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. feel the sensation in the left hamstring. A lot of sensations. Deep breathe. Deep breathe. Squeeze the muscle and relax. Squeeze the muscle. This is the tense technique. Exhale. Good. The other leg. Right leg forward. Left leg either this or see. Comfort zone is very important. But the fingers are supposed to be towards the sky or the ceiling. Okay? Be gentle with your body. It will open up. This is all related to the mobility. Inhale, open up the hip. Okay? Exhale. If you will be in hurry, you will get a cramp in your belly. So be gentle. Exhale. Exhale. Neck straight, spine straight, shoulder relax. Watch your alignment. Exhale. Hold. A lot of sensations. Now again. Right leg either like this or like this. Bend your left knee and hug the left thigh. Knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Engage your shin. Toes upward. Exhale. Straighten your leg. This is the hamstring exercise. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a stretch bend. Hold it. Hold the left leg. In the left hand. Lift the leg up. Slowly. A lot of sensation. See comfort zone. See your comfort first. Spine straight. Hip is square. And if you're not able, this is the advanced level. Then change. Change to the beginner level and now try. Exhale. See, it's lifting more. Hold. You are supposed to bring it upward towards your nose. Down. The other leg. You're opening up the hamstring. So try at the beginner level, if not at the advanced level. Please hold. First check. First bend the right knee and hold the right thigh first, and first check that you are able to do it or not. Exhale. Release. Straighten your leg. Spine straight, neck relax. Exhale up. Now we are going to lift ourselves up. These exercises are designed for the warm-up plus the mobility. Now, hip width, toes out, heel out, toes out, heel out, toes out. Again, go toes out, 45 degree. And we are going to bend the right knee. Exhale, push the hip backward. Inhale, bend the left knee, push the hip. Exhale. Spine straight. Arms forward. Right. Exhale. Why the muscle is shaking? Because it's the central nervous system who's giving your body a signal that this is something new. See how my thigh is shaking. This can happen initially. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Remember to push the hip backward, arms straight, and then bend. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right. Inhale, left. Inhale, Exhale. Now sit on the right thigh. Left toes up. And use the horizontal part of the mat. Better to use the horizontal. So face this direction and use the width, the length. Now come back center, left, yes. Sit tall. Use your core muscle and rib cage to sit tall. And feel the opening up of the inner thigh. Come back center, right, left, right. If you use the whole mat in length, it will be better not to use the grass. Use the mat, the length. Exhale. This is the side squat. Okay, we are preparing for the squat now. Understand your body connect. Now slowly opening up the inner thigh. There can be some minor little bit pain in the medial side of the knee. It's okay. Exhale, right, left. Now lift yourself up. Hands on the belly. Exhale, hip hinge. Hold the toes, big toes. Exhale. Malasana. Inhale. Widen your feet. Widen. Hold the toes. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This will help you open up your lower back. Exhale. Full squat. Inhale. Exhale. Come back center on the mat. Thunderbolt. Now from thunderbolt to cobra. Thunderbolt to cobra. Thunderbolt. Lift your hip up. Tabletop. Exhale. Belly down. Lift up. Exhale. Modified child pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Your feet at the back. Make sure your knees are on the mat. Inhale, lift your right leg. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. This is a core workout. Inhale, right leg up. Knee to elbow. Excellent. Control. Inhale. Exhale. Beautifully done. Inhale. Those who have pain in the wrist, modify the pose by coming down on the elbow. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to elbow. Inhale up. Exhale. Child pose. Gain some strength. Lift yourself up again in a tabletop. Engage your toes. Left foot up. Exhale, knee to elbow. You can do this. Lift up higher. Exhale. Inhale. This will not only give you a dynamic warm-up, plus this this will increase your heart rate because you are combining the lower body workout with the core. When you exhale, squeeze your hip and squeeze your belly, and then otherwise this will not have effect on your belly. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Thunderbolt. Now preparing for the vinyasa.
Oh yeah.
Those who have increased heart rate, raise your hand up. Good.